Jettle KL89 RGB mechanical, wired gaming keyboard, backlit mechanical keyboard, 100 for keys, 26 any ghost, plastic panel, double injection keycap, blue switches, 7 color LED. Keyboard V8 mechanical, backlit mechanical keyboard, 100 for keys, 26 any ghost, plastic panel, double injection keycap, blue switches, 7 color LED. Jettle K510 Gaming RGB, wired keyboard ergonomic, brand name, K5, model number, K510 style, ergonomics, standard, semi-mechanical, type, gaming RGB keyboard, interface type, USB 3, oak color, black.